Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, right, we will be visiting not just the neighborhood, but we will be making an entrance. So we will be sailing into this place called Karakoy. It's one of the ancient port in Istanbul with sultans, merchants, malls, and me. Today's video, I promise it to be a fun one. It will be a place that's full of heritage. There's a place that's literally full of umbrellas. We will be crossing a bridge that has so much fishermen that you'll be awed by it. Now that we have reached Karakoy, it's time to start the video's adventure. So for starters, we will be visiting this street that's beside the port. It's a small little town, lots of foods and eateries, and look at the vibe. Here is very modern, very posh. And look at that stunning water view. All the restaurants here get to enjoy this water vibe while you are dining here, be it your lunch, your dinner, or having a drink. Magnificent area. Of course, this is the place that I will be having my lunch, but if you want to check that video out, you can look at my video list. Now that we have exited the port, we just came across this magnificent looking mosque, powerful symbol of faith. And I can assure you that this mosque is standing for hundreds or even thousands of years. You can feel the history that's breathing from the neck by just looking at it. As I stroll through, I'm walking into the famous street now that is full of vibes, foods, shops, stalls, lots of things here, and there's lots of crowd gathering. In these streets, there's lots of street food, and I'm just walking through to check out the vibe here. It's a tough time for me to decide which store to visit. I'm just strolling through, trying to see, look around, rack it a bit, see which store is good for me to go in, have a bite. This entire area is full of tourists like me, taking out a video, filming around, and the culture here is very welcoming. As I'm shooting, there are even people that are posing or waving at me. Definitely a fun place to do video shootings as a tourist. For me, the food guideline for stores is simple. Always follow the crowds. Any place that's full of crowds definitely means that it is delicious. Always follow this rule in any part of the world, it will never go wrong. And now it's a time for coffee. And I'm gonna catch up with one of my old friend, Messi. He is a great guy to hang out with. He's fun and he always pick the great place to go for drinks and coffee. This is the place that he has specifically asked me to meet at, and I'm sure that this is very nice. And if you have been picking up the details, you realize that there's serious coffee culture here. There's walls with different beans, industrial roasting machine, and even cool transparent tube that we just saw to observe the crushed coffee grains. I'm still lingering with the aftertaste from the coffee, but this entire street caught my eye. Look at this whole stretch of umbrellas. With all the lights thing here, it looks so awesome for a photo. With all the different colors of the umbrella, it felt like a wall of rainbow. Keep watching as every street and every corner that you turn will go into another vibe, like this one. Felt like a magical garden with all the leaves and all the lights here. This is another part that I like it, and we will be heading on into another corner of the street. Or this, I would like to call it the mug wall. Every single mug have a signature from a different person from a different part of the world with their hometown language. I did stop there a bit to try to find somebody from my hometown that might sign one of the mugs there. Right now, it's starting to get dark. I have hit my agenda for the day. Gonna head back to the port soon to get back to my hotel. But as I was doing that, I'm passing by this magnificent mosque, which is of course impressive by the day, but at night with the lightings, it had the vibe of holiness inside. You combine this effect with the entire square that is empty from the people, this buff the entire effects. Look at that lighting, it has transformed the entire mosque into eternal. And I can bet you that the airplane view will be stunning. In contrast to the Holy Mosque, I was passing by this sinful place right now, a full sweet shop. Lots of sweet there, and I just can't stand the temptation. In the end, I pick up one of this viral sweet. It's called Dubai chocolate. Has been hearing about its name for a while, and I decide to try it. I break a piece of it, and while it's very nice, you can literally claim that it's a pistachio piece with chocolate on it. I'm eating the chocolate and crossing this bridge that I have stayed before. Is a place that is absolutely packed with fishermen. Lots of rods, lots of fish, lots of catch. Fishing is definitely a hobby that I have seen a lot in Istanbul. Definitely a great time at night time to do fishing too. And look at this port. At night, the port is definitely less busy. Definitely means there's less traffic and noise to scare the fish away. And that's the end of the day for Karakoy. How do you like the video? Anything caught your eye? Comment down below and let us know your thought. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey.